Okay, part 3. Wiring. No, wiring. I bought this wiring set from eBay, and it said plug and play, but just like everything else on eBay, nothing is ever plug and play. So we're splicing the wires together, and basically all we're going to do today is just do a once over on the electrical system, because I have other components coming in, like the high and low light switch you can see, and the turn signal. This is obviously not operational. There's no horn button at all, so just to show what that's all about. Alright. And then these two wires right here, which is the brake light wire, Jay found the leads, which is the yellow right here and the brown right here. But there's yeah, that's the one, yellow and brown. So that's our back brake light switch, gonna go into here. And then I'm thinking that's where it reaches a dead end. I don't know where the turn signals are, but we'll figure it out along the way. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm cleaning up. You know, you might find on your XT that this wobbles around a lot. You know why? It's because that rubber grommet there, it wears out. So what I did was I went down to the local hardware store, and I got me some spacers, and I put the spacers in, and no more wobble, bro. This bike is pretty cherry. I mean, it's got only 12,704 miles. I know that's accurate. I know that's accurate because the dumbbell who owned this bike doesn't know how to disconnect this cable. Okay, brothers. Hold on. Alright, so once you get that, you won't get any wobble anymore. I was really amazed because the XT inside the Speedo and the tack is a sealed unit. So as long as this outside area is not cracked, you are good to go, brother. This bike has 12,704 miles. By the time we get through with this, you're gonna freak out, man. This thing is gonna be a mind blower. Alright, so I got this over here. We went in, we had lunch and came back, and it should be nice and dry. Put this on. Continuation of part 3. Wow, you put the turbo on. This is Eric's I guess what Patria and Eric this. Patria this. But this is Eric's this is the pan. It's on what kind of pan is type 1 pan this? Eric will cut my tabs off. So what Eric's doing now is cutting away this chain guide. It's useless. It performs no task whatsoever. So I asked him please not to do a hamburger job. We'll see after when he's done. Aloha. Getting this swing arm ready so that we can install it. Not today because we did a lot today with the electrical. Huh? No, I'm talking to the camera, Eric. You see Eric right here? On the videos, he's one of the best riders in the videos.